Ay ay ay. Make sure to take everything off, so the nut, the washers, all the bushings of course, the truck itself. And what you need to do is put some wax. You need to make sure that it's 100% paraffin, or use some soap shavings as well. And you could put the soap shavings on the pivot, because a lot of people don't do that. That's good. And the most important thing is to put it in the pivot cup. So I already put some shavings ready. So you can take those shavings and you put them in the pivot cup. Make sure there's enough inside. So I like to take all the bushings off, all the washers. And what you can do as well is make sure so that the surfaces of the bushings are also induced in the wax or the shavings, whatever. So do that with all the bushings, the washer surfaces as well. So everything is nice covered in the wax. So yeah. And this will make sure that all the squeaking is gone. So that's actually it. All you have to do now is put everything back together and the squeaking should be gone. Take care, guys. It's all gone. No more squeaking. Hallelujah. Oh yeah.